This week we're going to talk about something that we all do pretty much every day, and that is have a conversation with someone. Now the thing about having a conversation is it's a two-way interaction, but as we know, sometimes the other person might not be engaging as much as we want them to. And also there are a lot of people that worry about how good a conversationalist they are. Well, in either circumstance, it's a really easy way to make those conversations better quality. And it's basically just two things. Make sure you're asking the questions and make sure you're the one that's listening to the answers properly. Now the thing is, you can pre-prepare questions for certain conversations, or you can just have some stuck at the back of your mind that if you find somebody who's just like not opening up or isn't actually engaging in the conversation properly, you can then get them talking. Now most of you will know about open questions. If you don't know about open questions and how to use them, go to the resources page on the website because we've got a bit on there for you about exactly that. And then also listening skills. Now we've covered listening before, but it's so important. And the most important thing about listening is listen because you want to hear and understand what someone's saying, not so that you can then think of the next thing that you want to say. So a decent conversation does take two people, but some people are just shy, some people are just bloody miserable, but you might get stuck with them either in a business situation or in a personal situation. And having the skill to be able to drive a conversation even though you are in that situation is a very good skill to have. And it is literally just those two things: the ability to use good questions and your ability to listen. See? Simples.